Hello, and I am King Dwarf right now, and I am going to show you, sorry, my finger was there, my game space, I guess. I don't have a table or anything instead, I just always sit in one particular spot, my couch. And right now, I guess I'll show you it. So that's my headphones, my hat, my phone, my mouse, and what's the computer? I don't see a computer. My mom's using the computer right now, which I don't like. I like playing games on it. And no, it's not some crappy computer. It's a nice computer, actually. It's an Alienware. So I'm using a tablet. My brother's playing the game. That's not my brother to see now in that picture. She's watching Twitch. And many more things. And right now, I don't have the computer. So, I look through magic cards to fix my deck. And chewing down candy. And getting stuff in the mail from people. Pretty cool. PS4. Love it. I love the controller style, but it's a bit thicker than PS3. PS4 is down there. My computer does have an Xbox One in it. No, it's not an Alienware. I forget what it's called. It does have Xbox One built into it. This guy here. I didn't know I had him. Oh. Well, guess doing this video is worth it. This is my pussycat. That said in one video. There's a fat ass. Right there, Preeti. He's so fat. And I guess I can show you more stuff. Going into my bedroom right now. Rasta shorts. Hell yeah. Best thing ever. I'll show you some more stuff I got in the mail, I guess. I got this in the mail. It's an energy drink. Stuff. I drank it, so I want to. I want to see what it tastes like. Tastes like crap, but still drank it all. I have got Cartman in the mail from someone. I didn't say who it was. Pretty cool. And I've got Piggyback TARDIS. Can you see it there? Pretty cool. Got it from a friend who mailed me. Yeah. I have a sonic screwdriver. Got that in the mail. Try to put this back. Bought that. And get it in the mail. And all. Things are falling here. Got that in the mail. Pretty cool. And plus I got the governor. It's too hard to take out right now. And someone gave me a Lego clock, which I didn't really want. But oh well. I do whatever I get, I get. What else should I do? Anything else I got in the mail? Oh yeah, that's right. Did get that. The Lego. Not a Lego clock. Someone keeps sending me Lego clocks. I don't know why. Anyways. They're all my brother's models of cars. He loves cars. Or favorite NASCAR, 24. Oh, sorry. The one poster on my wall. Yeah. I do play Minecraft, but I haven't did a video of it yet. I'm gonna do episodes soon. Maybe. And I still have to upload episode 2 of Binding of Isaac. But I will do that tomorrow. Because right now it is 11 o'clock. I'm gonna go to bed in like 2 hours. Anyways, this is just showing you my workspace. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed. Got a pickaxe there. And and leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Goodbye.